So this was two huge, biggest dump load, dump truck that they make, two full loads, and they've worked on quite a bit, and I'll show you what they've done. Mulch all along here, keep back the weeds, and that's pretty steep. To where those stones are down here, it's probably a 6 foot drop, and over there it's even more. Over here it's probably 8 feet. So we got them do all along here. It's all along the house, the edge of the house. Looks great. Love what they did. We got this mulch for free because it was all ground up from rescued logs. Did all the way along there around that base. Very nice. Very nice job. Underneath of it is landscaping, heavy duty landscaping cloth. You can kind of see it. It's right there, black, right there. And it's also over there. So it should keep out the weeds. We also sprayed it with a mixture of borax and water, hoping that that would keep things out. But it looks great. It's very manicured now. And these little places, we're going to put like little buildings on them, I think. In the meantime, before that happens, we don't want weeds to grow up in there. And sometime soon the stones will come. We might get the stones tomorrow. Not sure about that, but really loving the way this looks. Very neat. Shower joint, cement board rather, is up, and I put tape in and not grouted, I don't know what that's called, the edges with the yellow tape, mesh tape. And what's this stuff called? The white stuff I put on here. Magpie? I don't know. That doesn't sound right. Map pie. Anyway, so this will dry, and tomorrow we can either put the tile on or just hold off a little bit and let it really dry. We put plastic behind it too, I don't know if you can see that up there. So it's all plastic on all three sides. Sealed this whole window in, insulated it. Same as this one. It's on the other side. So we're freezing today.
Not bad. Hi.
We wanted to give you an update where we are. We had an insulation inspection yesterday that went fabulously, so we passed that. We had a couple of things we needed to do, put railings up. I've showed you some of the railings. They're walnut that we've sanded down. And we've also put a urethane on them with poly, so they will stay that color outside. No, actually I put a varnish on them.
Where's it?
The walnut railings. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, they're outside. Yep.
So that got done. That was inspected. We had to raise the height or move the position of our ceilings upstairs. So there's downstairs 6 to 8.
The ceilings, you have to raise the platform when you come down the staircases. They have to be 6'8" so that you don't hit your head when you're going up the stairs. And then in the loft, it's 6'2" going up to the loft. So when you step on any of the treads, it has to be a minimum height of 6'2". So anybody who's taller than 6'2".
What he had to do is move.
Yep.
I'm looking at it. He had to move the top floor back so there was a 6'8" distance on the lower level. On the top level, like Virginia said, 6'2".
Right. So that all got fixed and that got passed. And then we also had to put a fan in the bathroom. So we did that. There's already a fan downstairs in this downstairs bathroom. So we're looking good. And now we can go to final.
Drill the holes for all the fans, including the washer dryer fan,
Yep.
the fan
The
in the
vent.
bathroom, the vent upstairs, and that one, like Virginia said.
Yep.
We had mulch put down. It looks fabulous. We're very happy with that. We brought over all of it's reclaimed oak boards. They're like 100 years old.
The guys are upstairs doing the tongue roof ceiling, so that's
Yeah,
coming
the
along
work
very
on
nice.
tongue and groove.
Pretty nice.
So finished that and stained.
Yeah.
I put some chandeliers at least in place. They can stain around
And the
them.
reclaimed wood, the oak that she's talking about, is going to go in the peaks, so they have some contrast, and we're going to try out and see if we like the poly on it, polyurethane. So we've got a little piece at home, and we'll put some on there and see if we like it. Maybe we do, maybe we don't, but
I realized there was this much shorter than this.
yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. Let us know if you have any questions, any ideas, any suggestions. Love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching the channel.
So today we're testing all
back.
of these. Thank you. Today we're testing all of the electric connections.
Yeah,
And
it's
we're
wonderful. Electric
we're
and hooked up.
We're testing one in here, but it's not
We're
working.
having trouble,
for
so
some
the
reason.
electrician's coming over and he's going to help us with the three-ways. The three-ways are a little bit more difficult.
But no, the freeways are working. These are just straightforward. I'm not sure why they're not working.
Yeah.
But
Who knows?
and I've got power in both of these boxes.
But the real
22.
blessing is we've got a power going into the box right now. It's a temporary power that we can check all the outlets and the switches before we see the wall. So we're pretty psyched about that. So if there's any problems, we don't have to worry about it. We can fix it before
The only thing I would do is it appears as though the boxes that they give you with these LED lights,
we'll figure that
the
out. but
box may be the bad part.
Stay
Because
tuned.
power is going to it, so we got to figure that out. What else are we doing?
That's it.
We
That's enough for now.
We fixed the doorway leading into the house. I glued it up with this really heavy-duty glue. It's like an epoxy glue, so that's done.
Anyway,
Anyway, we're going to continue to test.
thank you.